Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'll be explaining the process on how to apply Turkey e-visa or online visa. So there are two types of visas to visit Turkey, guys. That is on a tourism purpose. So first is you can obtain a sticker visa like I've shown in the video here. I've explained detailed process on how to obtain sticker visa, going to VFS Global, paying your fees and getting your sticker visa. I've explained everything step by step, so I recommend you to watch this video which will help you obtain the sticker visa, which is highly recommended in my opinion. Why I say sticker visa is highly recommended, I'll talk about that in this video. So first of all, if you want to apply Turkey e-visa or online visa to visit Turkey, definitely you can apply, but there is a small criteria. So if you are holding an Indian ordinary passport just like me and just like millions of people, then you must either have a valid Schengen visa, first one, a US visa, second one, third one is the UK visa, and fourth one is the Ireland visa. If you have these four visas, you can visit Turkey and you will get Turkey visa maybe in a couple of hours to 2 working days. It is that simple. Now you may ask this question, what kind of visas? There are so many types of US visas, the L1, B1, H1B. I don't even know the names because there's so many types of US visas. So for US visa guys who are looking for this video, I'll attach the link in the description below. Please check it out, otherwise this video will become very lengthy and you might not gain information on this video. So for the US folks, I'll attach the link in the video's description so you can go through and find out what kind of visa, US visa if you have, you can visit Turkey. So first I'll talk about Schengen visa. So if you have a valid Schengen visa, let's say you got a Schengen visa for 6 months for France, and you can visit France multiple entries. So that is one scenario. The second scenario is you have a single entry France visa. You have got only single entry and you have to visit, when you visit France, you can only visit once and you have to return back to India. That is the second scenario. So multiple entry, I'll not talk about it because a lot of people from India get only single entry Schengen visa when they're applying for the very first time. Even though my friend recently applied for the third time, he still got single entry for Iceland. So let me take the second scenario and explain you guys about getting a single entry Schengen visa. So you got a single entry Schengen visa, France visa, it's all good. You went from Bangalore, Mumbai or Delhi to Paris, and then while returning, if you go to Turkey, no questions will be asked. All you have to do is you fill an application form for e-visa online, which I'll be linking in the description below, and you have to enter your Schengen visa number. So your first port of entry, your first port of destination, and your return journey ticket as well. If you submit it, then you can go to Turkey, and this need not be submitted at the time of applying Schengen visa. So you can get your Schengen visa, you have your Schengen visa number in the sticker, you enter that Schengen visa number in the Turkey website, and from Europe you need to make an entry to Turkey. Remember, it is not the other way around. You got a single entry Schengen visa, you cannot go to Turkey first. Even though you have a valid Schengen visa, you have to go to France and then come to Turkey and then come to India. So I hope this is very clear. So many of you I know will ask, can I visit Turkey first, then can I go to a Schengen region, that is France, and then can I come back to India? No, you cannot do it. Now this is about Schengen visa. About the US visa, like I said, there are many types of US visa. I'll be explaining, the link will explain probably about all the particular criteria of US visas that is eligible for obtaining a Turkey e-visa for Indians. And the third is UK visa and Ireland visa. So UK and Ireland visa is not so popular with Indians in terms of tourism. So I'll talk very less about Ireland visa. So when you talk about UK visa, a lot of Indians do visit UK for many purposes like studying, especially studying, and then working. Even though the professional count is being reduced year by year, a lot of people go to UK to work as well. And the third thing, of course, the major thing is tourism. So like I gave an example for Schengen visa, for UK visa also it holds the same thing. So you apply and get UK visa, you go to UK, you have a great time in UK, England, and then while coming back, you can book a flight from London to Istanbul on a single way journey, mentioning the UK visa number on the portal, very similar to Schengen visa. You will be able to get Turkey visa within 1 or 2 hours, guys. Trust me, it is so simple process. When you have Schengen visa, UK visa, US visa or Ireland visa, for Indians it becomes very easy. So you might, now I'll come to the most difficult question. So you might say you recommended sticker visa, but this is much easier. So what happens is, when you get a Schengen visa, you would obviously want to cover all the countries in Europe and want to cover Turkey separately, because the trip length will become too much. When you go to Europe, you at least want to visit a couple of weeks, and then you want to come to Turkey for like 1 week, which is not really recommended, because I have been to Turkey in 2022 December, and Turkey is a beautiful place, guys, trust me, and there's lots to see in Turkey. It at least will take a couple of weeks to see entire Turkey, in my opinion. Istanbul, Cappadocia, Kusadasi, Antalya, they're all beautiful places. You also can experience the famous hot air balloon ride, which I did, and if you can check out my Turkey videos if you haven't really seen it. So Turkey is very popular among with Indians. Most of the direct flights go from either Mumbai or Delhi. I also went from Delhi via Indigo. Indigo offers direct flights from Delhi to Turkey, to and fro. So this is the entire process of your getting Turkey e-visa or online visa. So my recommendation is go for the sticker visa, because you can get ample time, and sticker visa they gave me for 3 months. So that was a very good thing. Even though I stayed there for 12 to 13 days, they gave me for 3 months single entry, because I requested only single entry. But if you visit multiple entry, you might get a chance of having it for 6 months multiple entry. So you can visit Turkey, couple of times, dividing that 1 week gap. So this is very cut short video, guys. I've explained you whatever I know, what the process is, and if you have any questions, as usual, follow me and then ping me on Instagram, because I'm not getting notified, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to your comments as soon as possible. I hope this video was very helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video.